Hello, I would like you to start reading this reading part right here, chapter 1. Read the first 3 pages of this chapter reading. It's in Google Classroom. Obviously, you're in Google Classroom right now, but read the first 3 pages of this quietly. Really understand the first 3 pages, okay? Then do this. I have a pre-test for you. Now, obviously, this test you don't understand and you don't know the answers to these, but go and answer these on a separate sheet of paper. You won't have a hard copy with it, but answer them on a separate sheet of paper. Okay? And then once you do that, go down here and you can do the first page, of this. You should be able to do the first page of this and take a look at the answers. They actually have answers here for you. Just read it, and then on your sheet of paper, you can count this as number 11, 12, 13, and so on your sheet of paper and answer it. Read them and answer them. You can look back to your reading back here and see where these match up because it'll match up with the reading. That is your assignment for today and tomorrow as you if you don't finish up and then starting Monday we're going to be talking about this. We're going to be talking about molecules. We won't be talking about the metric anymore. Okay, so yeah, well, have a good day, and we'll continue later. Thanks.